Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening a movie magic doll, and her name is Spirit Queen, and she comes with two clothes. Now let's start opening her. It says peel from here. Two peels. That side. Then you have to turn it around. Make sure you tuck both number 3s in the side of the box. Look at the backdrop, guys. So now let's turn it around to the time. Find number 4. Oh, here's number 4. You have to peel down here. Look like we found something. Let's open it. We have her witch hat and part of her stand. Ooh, look at this. It looks like a scary movie. And this part looks like the other part of the scary movie. And let's get the other part to her stand out. Oh, that came out. Let's get the other part of her stand. And here silver brush. And I wonder what's in here. Let's open it up. It's the 3D glasses. Look, it looks red and blue inside of it. So now, what's else in here? Oops, looks like the other part for stand. So let's peel it out and put this on around. So now let's put the stand together. Oh, and don't forget to look at the bottom. They always have a little surprise at the bottom. And let's finish putting the stand together. So now that we got the stand all done, if you don't know how you're supposed to do these, so I'll show you how. So you have to clamp them together and then you put them in. And then you might be thinking, what do you do with the movie glasses? You have to look at them with the movie glasses on. So it looks like with the movie glasses on, it's a Batgirl with spider. And the other one looks like they went down to eat. It's hard to see it with the glasses on. So now we completed step 5. Now let's move to step 6. Step 6 is to get out the... It looks like this is where she's gonna be at. So there she is, Spirit Queen. Get her out. Whoa, look how she looks. So cute. Looks like a little microphone. So now it's time to cut her out. Oh. Look at the inside of the box. It's so pretty. And look at the outside. It looks like she's writing on there. And now it's time to get her out. The box on the floor. And get her out. Okay, now it's time to cut out the girl. She's out. So let's get her other accessories out. I wonder what's inside of here. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at these little costumes. Let's see what else we got with this. We got some nice little cute sunglasses. And then we got these 2 hooped earrings. Now let's see what we got. Now what's inside of here. We have some two little boos, and they look like they're spider webs. Ooh, so cute. And now let's get her clothes. So excited for this. So let's open it up. Ooh, look like a cute little dress. Now let's open up the moon one next. Ooh, little jackets, spider webs. Then we have this cute little dress. So awesome. Let's check her out. Now it's time to put on some clothes. I only put on one of her outfits, and this is the outfit that she's wearing for today. So let's put it on her stand. So here she looks with her microphone on. Let me put on my 3D glasses so me and Spirit Queen can go watch a scary movie. Bye guys, and make sure to press that subscribe button and that thumbs up.